We'll do about it. Welcome back, guys. Kind of excited today. Made a deal to proceed with the bug on some more modification. So we're not restoring it. We're going full rat rod. Picked up a couple of parts today to transform it. So we're gonna give you a view of it kind of here. Walk around the warrior. Walk around here. Can't get into the back of this to give you much view. Yeah, I can't get him back here to see much of you, but yeah, picked up a couple parts to go forward with it. The full out rat rod. Been looking at some other parts here. Picked up this today. That's right, 40s model Ford front end. It's actually designed for this bug. It's beat up pretty rough down around bottom here. This is actually metal. You got these places right here. Most of this is, it's fiberglass. It's all fixable. Same with that. That piece right there alone, the light bar, going $73 on eBay right now. So, that makes the third one of those I got. So I got extra parts. Got the hinges with this one, got the bolts with this one. As you see, lock hinge on that, which I don't have on the other one. So I gained that no matter what. I'm not going to let you all know what I have in it. Just for the fact we're going to keep this build down below what we can. Give you a full breakdown at the end of it. But, yeah. Rat rod front end. Picked up real cheap. Guy had it laying out behind his building, just laying there. Kind of junk to him, so let's just say still under $500 in this bug. So, and you can't even buy that grill for that, for most part. But I got one other thing I'm going to try to get into, but we'll give you a before and after shot. We're not going to install the hood, we're just going to place it. Give you all a look at what we need, what we're going to do. We're losing daylight. My little light up there ain't a good light to work by. But we're not going to take the hood off. We're just going to lay this one on top of it for now to give you the ideal. So let me see if I can't get you squared up here. I'm going to break my fucking neck. But as I was saying, I don't have none of this hardware right here, so some of it needs work on. But we gained a lot of this hardware right here, so I want to fix some of this cracked up. Got the surface cracking. Looks like a little hole right there. We'll take it off and fiberglass it and redo it all. But yeah, this is update. We picked up that supposed to be 40 model Ford coupe is what's supposed to make it look like. It's actually designed, from what I understand, you weld the whole back glass in and make it a slick top all the way down. It's supposed to make it look like 40 models Ford, front and rear. We're going to use it to make a rat rod out of. So we ain't decided we're going to use the Continental kit deck lid. Definitely going to use the front end. So stay tuned for more on that. Making the bug a rat rod. So it'd be a skittle bug. It'd be a skittle rat. skittle rat rod, skittle rod. I don't know. We still need a namer. Skittle bug was good, but now it's gonna be a rat rod. Skittle rat rod, skittle rats, rat skittles. Who knows? But yeah, stay tuned to see what this actually looks like. Just a quick video, let you know moving forward with the rat rod project. Getting dark out here, can't make good videos in dark, but yeah, can't wait to see what this looks like on it. But new parts or old parts for old bug to make a new project. We got a lot of fiberglassing to do on these two parts, so there'll be some body work going in that. Of course, we got body work on this, so stay tuned to see what she comes out looking like. Yeah, I'm stoked on these two pieces. I mean, guy gave me a heck of a deal on them. I just can't get over it. The grill itself's hard to come by. They're not busted up or anything real bad. We'll be able to fix them. It don't have the piece that runs right up the center. Actually, I think it's shipped over. Should be a chrome piece run right up the center and out. So, got one crack on the side. I'm gonna have to fix fiberglass's front end a little bit. That should come down far enough across. I can fix that. I can maybe fix that without buying a new piece. Or maybe find sheet metal and make it a solid piece. But stay tuned to see what she looks like on the next video. Like, subscribe, and enjoy, and hopefully she turns out to be a pretty nice project.